the paper, what we'll do is that we'll use the paper and the thread to kind of make a cut on the paper. Yes, let's fold the paper into a half, right? And we'll see, let's make a nice clean half. Here it is, right? Now this method might seem a little like some magic trick, but we'll see if this trick works, right? So here we have cut the paper. Right now what we're supposed to do is that take the thread like this, right? Keep the thread inside, and what we're going to do is that we'll see if we can use the thread to cut the paper. So hold the thread on one corner, right? And like we move the roller, try moving the thread like this, right? So we are using the thread to cut the paper. Yes. So after this, if you see, it's been magically cut, right? Okay, that's pretty much for the video, right? Thanks everyone. Bye bye.